Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 1. I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am your teacher, Miss Suba, and today I am going to teach you mathematics. Our today's task is on our school workbook. We have to do page number 19 and page number 52 of our school maths workbook. We also have to do page number 53 as our homework page. So all of you please take out your school math workbook so we can start our work. First you have to open page number 19. You have to write down the date and day on the top of the page. Today the date is 26/5 and the day is Wednesday. On this page you can see three different captions. First you have to arrange in ascending order, then you have to arrange the numbers in descending order, and at the end we will learn about the properties of number 0. What does 0 mean? Okay, let's start with the first part, that is arrange in ascending order. All of you know that when we arrange number from smallest to largest, then we call it ascending order. So you have to write down the numbers in ascending order. Let's do with me. Look at the first column. Here you can see three numbers, 9, 1 and 5. You have to write down these three numbers in ascending order. We have to pick up the smallest number, that is number 1. We can write number 1 in the first triangle, then we have to write number 5 in the second triangle, and then we have to write number 9 in the third triangle. In that way we will arrange the number from smallest to largest. Now move towards the second column. Read the numbers with me, 6, 8 and 2. We have to write down the smallest number, that is 2 in the first triangle, then we can write number 6, and at the end we have to write down the largest number, that is number 8. I hope you understand that how you have to do this page. Now move towards the next part of the page. Arrange in descending order. When we arrange number from largest to smallest, we call it descending order. Look at the first column. Read the number 3, 7 and 1. We have to pick up the biggest number, that is number 7. We can write number 7 in the first triangle, then you have to write number 3 in the second triangle, and at the end we will write down the smallest number, that is number 1. Now look at the second column. Number 4, number 9 and number 6. We have to arrange these three numbers in descending order. Pick up the biggest one, that is number 9, then number 6, and at the end we will write down the smallest, that is number 4. In that way you will complete this part. Now we will learn about the properties of number 0. All of you know that 0 means nothing. मीन्स हम ज़ीरो को किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करें या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, हमारे पास सेम रिप्लाई आएगा. For example, if we add 0 in number 3, then the answer would be number 3. And if we minus number 0 from number 3, then the answer would be the same, that is number 3. Then 0 means no object. By keeping this thing in your mind, let's move towards the next page. Now open page number 52. You have to mention date and day on the top of the page. Today the date is 26/5 and the day is Wednesday. Read the caption with me. Draw fish in each jar and write the number. You can see words counting written on this page. You have to draw fish according to these numbers. For example, in the first jar you have to draw 3 fish, 1, 2 and 3, and you have to write down number 3 in the empty box. You can draw any fish, कोई भी simple सी easy सी fish draw कर ले. Now look at the second jar. You have to draw 1 fish in this jar and you have to write down number 1. Okay, in that way you will complete your work. In the third jar, you will draw 5 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you have to write down number 5 in the empty box. Now look at the fourth jar. You have to draw 0 fish in this jar. And 0 means nothing, so we will draw no fish. But you have to write number 0 in the empty box. Now look towards the next jar. You have to draw 2 fish in this jar and write down the number 2 in the empty box. Now look at the last jar. You have to draw 1, 2, 3, and 4 fish, and you have to write down number 4 in the empty box. I hope you understand that how you have to complete this page. Now open page number 53. Page number 53 is your homework page. You have to write down date and day, and you have to read down the caption with me. Join the dots from 0 to 20 to complete the picture. आपने काउंटिंग के हेल्प से आपने इसको ज्वाइन करके पिक्चर को कंप्लीट करना है. You have to join the dot to complete the picture. And you can also do colors on this picture if you like to do colors. Let's do with me. We will start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and we will end on number 20. In that way you will complete your page. You can also do colors if you like to do colors. I hope you understand that how you have to do your work. Now it's time to do some mental math questions. We will do addition sums up to 10 with number 3. Okay, let's start with me. You have to read with me and you have to do practice with me. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0 is equal to number 3. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to number 4. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to number 5. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to number 6. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is equal to number 7. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is equal to number 8. 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 is equal to number 9. 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is equal to number 10. Okay dear students, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.